Assalamu alaikum. Hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to determine if there is enough evidence in a sample data to draw a conclusion about population. Let's know how it works. A researcher is interested to find out whether the average weight of mangoes is different from population average weight 70 grams. For that, he takes a sample of 20 mangoes with sample mean weight 70.55 grams and sample standard deviation 2.82 grams. State the null and alternative hypothesis. At 95% confidence level, is there enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis? To test hypothesis about mean, we have two tests, Z-test and T-test. When sample size is greater than 30 and population variance is known, then we use Z-test. And when sample size is less than 30 and population variance is unknown, then we use T-test. For this case, sample size is 20, which is less than 30, and population variance is unknown. So, we will use T-test. Now, we have to state null and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis states that there is no difference between groups or no relation between variables. So for this case, we can say average weight of mangoes is not difference. That means mu equal to 70 grams. Okay, alternative hypothesis states that there is a difference between groups or relationship between variables. It contradicts the null hypothesis. So for this case, we can say average weight of mangoes is different from 70 grams. That means mu not equal to 70 grams. Now, this is our normal distribution. Look at alternative hypothesis. Sample mean is not equal to 70. It means it can be lower or higher. So it is a two-tailed test. When it is lower, then rejection region will be lie on left side. And when it is higher, then rejection region will be lie on right side. Since our confidence level is 95%, so level of significance alpha equal to 1 minus 95%, which is equal to 0.05. Since alternative hypothesis denote it is two-tailed test, so we divide it by 2. We get 0.025. So value of this two rejection region or critical region is minus 0.025 and plus 0.025. Rest is 0.95, which is accepted region. Now we need to find these critical values from where critical region start. In order to find it, we need to look at t-table for two-tailed test. To find value, we need to know degrees of freedom, which is n minus 1. That means 20 minus 1 equal to 19. And level of significance alpha, which is 0.025. These two values meet at this value, which is approximately 2.433. So this is our critical value. It can be positive and negative. Okay, now we'll find t value. Here, x bar is sample mean, which is 70.55 gram. Mu means population mean, which is 70 gram. S means sample standard deviation, which is 2.82 grams. And N means sample size, which is 20. So we get approximate value 1.041, which is less than our critical value. That means it lies on accepted region. So we accept null hypothesis. Therefore, we conclude that sample mean doesn't significantly different from population mean. Thank you for watching.